Do you want to make your Canva design stand out with custom fonts? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your own fonts in Canva. While Canva has a great selection of built-in fonts, sometimes you need something specific. Maybe a font that matches your website, logo, or personal aesthetic. That's where custom fonts come in. Before we jump into the tutorial, there's one thing you need to know. Uploading custom fonts is only available for Canva Pro users. If you're using the free version, you won't have access to this feature. But if you want to try Canva Pro, there's a free trial available, and I'll leave a link in the description below. The first thing which I'll do is to download a custom font, which I'll add to Canva, and you can get custom fonts from this website called dayfont.com. I'll download this Aurora font, and let's then add it to Canva. Before we open Canva, there's an important step which you'll have to do, and that is to go over to your Downloads folder and then extract the font, since it's downloaded as a zip file. I'm on my Mac, so I'll just double-click on the file and it will be extracted. I'm now in Canva, so just tap on the font option to open this side menu, and you'll see all of your Canva fonts. But you'll want to find this Upload a Font option, and then find the font on your computer. Canva will then ask you if you have the permission to use this font, and I'll select Yes, and then our font will be imported to Canva. Let's now use this new font, so I will type Aurora, since that's the name of my custom font. And here it is. That's how you can upload custom fonts to Canva. If you have any questions or suggestions, then make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.